Hello dear students, welcome to this video. Today we want to speak about matrix addition, and in the next video we will speak about matrix subtraction. Okay, at the first point of this video, just remember an important rule. For example, we want to obtain the result of this A plus B. A and B, both of them they are matrices. Okay, the order of matrix A and the order of matrix B should be equal. For example, if this matrix is 2 by 2, this one should be 2 by 2 to understand the sum of these matrices. Okay, so the sum will be a matrix 2 by 2. Here one element, here one element, here one element, and here another element. Okay, for example, matrix A is 1, 2, 3, 4, and matrix B is 3, 5, 1, 6. Okay, and we want to obtain A plus B. What's that? Okay, as I told you in the first, we should check the order of these matrices is equal or no. Okay, here we can see that order of this matrix is 2 by 2 because it has 2 rows and 2 columns, and here the order of matrix B is 2 by 2 again because it has 2 rows and 2 columns. Okay, so these orders are equal. Then we can have the sum of these matrices. Let's obtain the sum. Okay, we should add the corresponding elements. For example, here the first element is 1 and here the first element is 3. We should add them. Here the second element is 2 and here it's 2. It's 5 for the second element of matrix B. We should add them here. Like this, we should do it for all the elements of the matrix. Okay, here we have 1, here we have 3. Okay, it's 4. Let me draw a square on it. And here we have 2, and here 5. It's 7. And here we have 3, here we have 1. It will be 4. And here we have 4, here we have 6, and it will be 10. And the order of our sum is 2 by 2, like another matrix says. Okay, let's consider another one example. For example, matrix C is equal to 1, 3, 2, and matrix D is equal to 4, 5, 8, for example. What's C plus D? Sorry. Okay, as I told you, at the first, let's check the order of matrices. Here we have 3 rows and just 1 column, so the order of this matrix is 3 by 1, and here we have 3 rows and 1 column, so the order here is again 3 by 1. And as you can see, these two order is equal, so we can have the sum matrix. Okay, and now let's obtain the sum. Sorry. Okay, here the first element is 1, here the first element is 4, it will be 5 here, and here the second element is 3, and here the second element is 5, it will be 8, and here the first element is 2, and sorry, the third element is 2, and here the third element is 8, so it will be 10. Okay, and it's our new matrix, and the order of this matrix is like another matrix C or D, so it will be 3 by 1. Thank you for watching this video.